students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. Students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic like omission task. During that very topic, I shall try my best to provide you a lot of problems to sort out. And now I am sure that all of you succeed to solve that very problem easily and correctly. That's why today I think to start a new topic for you like sentence reordering. So all of you try your best to listen my today's discussion, and after that all of you should also minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video related with sentence reordering. So all of you follow me.
Sentence reordering. Sentence reordering is a task related with our grammar section also. It is also known as jumbled words or slash word too. Now we have to discuss some rules of changing related with rearranging of the words. Number 1. While changing or solving any problems related with our sentence reordering, we must try our best to arrange all the words in its proper order or sequence to form a meaningful sentence. Next one now. Just after reading or target all the jumbled words, try to put a number upon it. Next one now. During solving such problems, always keep the correct use of punctuation marks also in our mind. At last, just after ensure yourself, try your best to arrange these all the words. Now, my dear student, I try my best to provide a solved example for your help or support. So, now arrange the words or phrases given below to form meaningful sentences. Like first one, work and play slash things slash different slash parents see slash age 2. Next one now, is a slash of time slash they slash waste slash think slash that playing. Next one now, important slash games slash studies slash our age slash age. Next one now, a student slash to both slash proper slash should slash attention slash pay Next one now. Can slash, life slash, only slash, succeed slash, he slash, in slash, then. Now my dear students, we have to think about its correct solutions. First solutions like parents see work and play as two different things. Next one will be they think that playing is a waste of time. Next may be games are as important as studies. Its other solutions like studies are as important as games also. Next solution like a student should pay proper attention to both. Now, as the last solution, only then he can succeed in life. It may be also solved like he can succeed in life only then. My dear students, just after solving this problem, now I would like to select few problems for you. So all of you try your best to solve these all the problems. Problem number first now. Arrested slash criminals slash were slash in Varanasi slash 4. Next problem for you. Steal slash tried to slash they slash from slash museum slash a Buddha slash statue slash the. Next one now. In place slash famous slash the slash is back slash statue. Next one now. Department slash thanked slash the slash museum slash the slash authorities slash police slash. Next one now. Once slash open slash for slash the slash is slash museum slash the slash tourists slash again slash now. Now the second problem for you, like first one. Do not slash leaves slash have slash they slash but slash spiny needles. Next one now. Flowers slash and slash bloom slash some of them slash cacti slash at night slash are big. Next one now. Absorb slash from fog slash water slash in the air slash cacti can. Next one for you now. Is slash plant slash aloe vera slash a slash common slash cactus. Now next one for you. Cactus slash a slash a slash large slash of slash found slash variety. Now the third problem for you. To be a slash kind slash this was slash of protest slash considered slash unique. Next one for you. Could not slash the soldiers slash Alexander slash to move slash pursued slash ahead. Next problem for you now. Finally slash then slash he slash asked slash to retreat. Next for you now. Final slash his slash this slash decision slash was. Next problem for you now. Lead slash army slash the slash decision slash to slash further slash move back. Now problem number 4 for you also. First one now. Illiterate slash remain slash the slash end slash backward slash poor slash people. Second now. Easily slash by slash they slash cheated slash are slash others. Next problem for you now. Our slash it is slash to help slash moral duty slash to become slash literate slash everyone. Next problem for you now. Be slash can slash increased slash the slash rate slash the slash literacy. Now its last problem like literacy slash of slash towards slash erudition slash one slash each slash teach slash a slash step. Now my dear students, it's the last problem like problem number 5 for you also. First one like nation slash is the slash of any slash culture slash key element. Next for you now. Nation slash cultural slash every slash has its own slash identity. Next problem for you now. Of a slash spiritually slash soul slash nation slash is slash the. Next problem for you now. A slash high slash praised slash moral slash always slash spirits. Now its last problem like country slash is slash a slash different slash India slash cultures. Now my dear student, I hope that all of you will be succeed to solve these all the problems correctly. Next day we shall have to start a new topic for you. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Hope to see you again.